everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another brilliant long-run automated mail solution from my good friends at SPC, or Specialty Print Communications in Chicago. And as always, you know, these long-run solutions can be translated into short-run solutions as well. You just usually have less automation with lower quantities. So anyway, I just think this is really clever. This was for Client Discover. The exterior envelope is cool. I just want to show this. It's an oversized envelope. It has a spot gloss varnish and a spot pearlescent UV coating that makes it shimmery on the outside, which is really nice. It's on a 70-pound C1S, the envelope is. And then you open it up and it says, Discover is out to change the way you think about credit cards, and opens like this. And then it opens down like this. So it kind of trifolds down, but then it has this belly band right here, and this belly band is holding down a personalized insert letter. And so this is really clever. It holds it down, but it's not like a pocket. So it's kind of an interesting thing and easy to pull out, and yet it holds it down and keeps it in the center. So of course, as well, there's personalization in here and other things going on as usual with their materials. But I wanted to talk about how it was done, because that's always something really fascinating about how they work over there. So this was done on this is, by the way, 80-pound Opus Dull text. They did this on a full 38-inch web, and then different sections basically get slit into kind of ribbons that are running kind of with each other all the way along, so nothing can get mismatched. It's pretty fascinating the way it works. But this insert then was running kind of alongside the carrier, and so this is going over here, this gets slit, folded, and then it gets dropped onto the center here, and static electricity holds it as it's going along, and then the belly band is floating over top. It gets die cut, and then glue is applied in line at the last second, and then that comes down and holds this down, and then the whole thing is folded, and then it's off to insertion. So amazing how this all works. But I think this belly band idea is very cool for different types of inserts and could be done in long run or short runs. So brilliant mail. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week mailer with belly band insert. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.